Our focus has always been on safety and education, especially with the community and our clients. So we built the teen driving experience as an exclusive way for our customers to bring their teens and have a hands-on experience in the vehicles as well as outside the vehicles. When Mercedes-Benz of Sugar Land, it's about distinction. The First Class Access program is built to provide exclusive experiences inside and outside of the dealership. The teen driving experience is one of those. It's an opportunity for these teens to come in, get in Mercedes-Benz vehicles with professional instructors. We want to make sure that we're not only with the community that's a part of our dealership, but that around us.
The thing I was most excited for was doing the drifting, because that was so much fun.
I really am excited to go and do the hot lap and get in the car with some professionals and see what it's like to be in a real race.
The students will leave today with a certificate of completion, but more importantly, their superpowers, their driving instincts are going to be elevated to a level that they didn't expect to have when they arrived today. And we're probably going to throw them in the go-karts for a little bit.
We have done a lot of activities where we learned how to brake. We did a lot of skidding in a car. We also learned how to maneuver the car when in need and to avoid any accidents that do occur. Thank you, Mercedes-Benz of Sugar Land.